Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief, and we have got another Pokemon card opening. Now this is another one of the Christmas presents that came from my amazing husband. This is the Scarlet and Violet 151 booster packs. I've got 2 to open today. I am so excited to get into these. Now, a bit of background just before we get started. 151 is from, as I said, the Scarlet and Violet era and is based around the Kanto series, I believe, of Pokemon. I absolutely love this set. I believe there are Pikachus in here that I might be looking for, possibly. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% completely sure what the hits are, but I'm so excited just to get into it and see what we get. So let's get started. So, as I was saying, we've got 2 Scarlet and Violet 151 booster packs. They both have a Pokeball and Mew on the front. They're a very similar design actually to my playmat that I've got that is also Scarlet and Violet 151. So we're getting into our first pack. Here is the code card. Oh, we have got Fire Energy, Bulbasaur. I believe I have this. Drantony, Growlithe, Geodude, Tentacruel, Snorlax, Sandslash, Kingler, Shelder, and Dragonite. So no major hits there. 2 cards in that pile I might be keeping. Oh, let's put those as there's something of them to Mew. And then I'm like, no, Mew has the hit. I'm wondering if because Mew's on the front, whether Mew's a big hit card in this code card. Oh, shiny grass energy. Very nice. Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen. How stunning is that fish? Nidoran, Victreebel, say, Big Airball, Prime Ape, Geodude, Clefable, and Aerodactyl. Oh my goodness, guys, that was terrible. 2 booster packs and absolutely no hits. I cannot believe that. The only, I would say, sort of hit is this shiny energy, but that doesn't really count. Oh my days, I don't know what to say. This is just as bad as Prismatic. And Prismatic Evolution for pulls is absolutely awful. And apparently so is 151. Hopefully I will get some, excuse me, I moved the camera then. Hopefully I'll get some more 151 for my birthday that we can open and see if we do a better job. But I'm going to turn the camera around now and we'll have some final thoughts. So guys, that 151 opening was not great. We have got no hits. Now this card I may be adding to the collection. I do collect Bulbasaur, but I do recognise it, so I might have it. I'm also considering keeping this one because I do collect Snorlax, but I do recognise the card. There's not really anything else that we'll be keeping. There's unfortunately no major hits, so this will all just go into our bulk probably. Which is such a shame. I love 151 and hoped for really, really big things, but I didn't get any, which is such a shame. But it is what it is, unfortunately. Please let me know what was your favourite card you saw today from this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. And I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye!